Hello children, today we are reading Mamba and the Crocodile Bird. This amazing story is written by Francis Osher and illustrated by Stephen Lewis. In Africa, there was a beautiful river. By the river, there were tall trees and lots of green grass. In the river lived a little crocodile called Mamba. One day, when Mamba was swimming around the river, she saw a fish. Snip went Mamba at the fish. Then Mamba saw a frog. Snap went Mamba at the frog. Then Mamba saw a bird. Snip, snap, snip went Mamba at the bird. "Don't do that, Mamba," said Mom and Dad Crocodile. "That is the crocodile bird. He's our friend. You must not do that to the crocodile bird."
"But I could eat up that bird in one snap,"
said Mamba. "No, you must not do that, Mamba," said Mom Crocodile. "Look at your dad. He will show you what to do." Mamba looked at that crocodile. She saw him open his big mouth. The crocodile bird flew in.
"Dad is eating the crocodile bird,"
said Mamba. "No, he isn't," said Mom. "Look again." Then Mamba saw what the bird was doing. He was eating all the bits of food on that crocodile's teeth. That crocodile didn't want to eat the bird because he wanted to have clean teeth. "Thank you, crocodile bird," he said. "Now, Mamba, look at your mom." Mamba looked at Mom Crocodile. She saw her open her big mouth. The crocodile bird flew in and cleaned her teeth. "Thank you, crocodile bird," said Mom. "Now, you open your mouth," said Mom Crocodile to Mamba. So Mamba opened her big mouth, but when the bird flew in, she shut her mouth with a snap. "Mamba, open your mouth now," said Mom Crocodile. Mamba opened her mouth and the crocodile bird flew out as fast as it could.
"I don't want clean teeth,"
said Mamba.
"And I don't want crocodile bird as my friend."
One day, Mamba met a giraffe. "How are you, Mamba?" it asked.
"Oh, my teeth hurt so much,"
said Mamba. "Then clean them in the river," said the giraffe. Mamba tried, but her teeth went on hurting. Mamba went on down the river. Next, she saw a hippo in the water. "How are you, Mamba?"
"Oh,"
said Mamba.
"My teeth hurt so much."
"Then clean them with a stick," said the hippo. Mamba tried, but her teeth went on hurting. Mamba went on down the river. Then she saw a cheetah on the bank. "How are you, Mamba?" it asked.
"Oh,"
said Mamba.
"My teeth hurt so much."
"Then clean them on a log," said the cheetah. Mamba tried, but her teeth went on hurting. Mamba went on down the river. She tried to forget about her teeth, but she could not. They hurt too much. Then she saw the crocodile bird up in a tree. "How are you, Mamba?" it went.
"Oh,"
said Mamba.
"My teeth hurt."
The crocodile bird flew down from the tree. "I'll clean your teeth," said the bird. "But please do not eat me."
"No, I won't eat you,"
said Mamba. So she opened her mouth and the crocodile bird flew in. Crocodile bird ran all over Mamba's teeth and gave them a good clean. Mamba's teeth stopped hurting. "Thank you," said Mamba. "Now I see why you're called a crocodile bird." And from that day on, Mamba and the crocodile bird were very good friends. Okay, children, I hope you enjoyed this story. Now, did you know that the crocodile birds are actually real birds? You usually find them wherever there are crocodiles. They help the crocodiles clean up, just like we read in this story. And there are other animals that have this kind of relationship with bigger animals. So ask an adult to help you find out the names of these animals and post them on the comment section. Also, our teeth can also get really dirty. So remember to always clean up your teeth. Don't be like the little naughty Mamba. We really hope you enjoyed this story and learned a lot from this story. So we hope to see you next time on our next reading.